Houston, we have a problem.
I know, right? I can't find Lindsay or Carrie anywhere, and I've searched everywhere. Do you think they snuck onto that space rocket?
With those two, anything is possible.
Man.
Well, you guessed right. We tried to get onto that rocket.
But who knew you had to have special training to go into outer space?
I know, right? Astronauts have to study up to 2 years to be qualified as astronauts.
She's right, 2 years of astronaut school is required.
Well, we definitely have a lot of learning to do.
Yes, and you can go on a constellation watch and see how many constellations you can identify.
Then you can research 1 or 2 constellations and share those fun facts with your family.
Well, we're going to go because we've got a lot to know and a lot to learn, so we'll see you later.
And you should have fun learning about space too.
When you aren't blasting off into outer space, you will be learning all about prefixes. Prefixes are word parts that we add to a base word to change its meaning. Let's look at these prefixes. Dis, in, im, and un. All of these prefixes mean the same thing. They mean not or opposite of. If I wanted to say that someone was not being kind, what prefix would I add to my base word kind? Whisper it. That's right. I would say someone was being unkind. So I would add the prefix un to my base word kind to make the new word unkind to say that someone is not being kind. Prefixes are important because they help us understand the words in our text. Have fun as you blast off reading.
Wow, I can't believe this is our last session together. I've had such a blast teaching you some different mathematics concepts over the past few weeks. But man, I have one more that I want to talk to you about today. And that's going to be about deciphering word problems. So will you help me out? Great. Now, one thing I want you to know is that when astronauts are in space, they actually eat a lot of times pre-packaged meals like this. Now, you're going to need that information as we look at this word problem. It says, for breakfast at the International Space Station, 4 astronauts ate 3 packages each. How many packages did the astronauts eat in all? Now, what is the word problem asking us to solve? Tell me what you think. That's right. What is the total amount of packages that the astronauts ate? Now, there's a lot of different ways that you could solve this. Go ahead and think about what is one way that you would solve it. Well, now I'm going to tell you how my friend Derek solved it. Now, Derek said that it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What do you think about that? You don't agree? Well, why not? You're right. Derek is mostly right. But in this case, we're talking about each of the astronauts, and there are 4 astronauts who we're talking about. So it would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which gives us a total of 12 packages that the astronauts ate for breakfast. Excellent work. I hope you have a blast learning math this upcoming school year.
Shoot for the stars as you launch into 3rd grade.